smells like.
Yeah. No worries. You don't have to wait for me. You can. Don't go too far ahead, but.
Uh-oh, here comes the radio.
Stop. Look, there's a duck right there. You see the duck?
Oh yeah, the duck is flying. Look. You see it? Look. Do you see a bird right here? You see it? Oh look, there's a plane.
Yeah, there's a plane. Let me see your camera real quick.
Yeah. No, it's still recording.
Wait, let me. Hold on. Let me.
If it's beeping red, it's still recording.
Hold on. Press it again so you can record.
You're recording, DT?
Yes, I am.
Look, I can do this. Watch. Backwards. Bling, bling. Oh, I got away, guys. I got away. Houses.
Yeah.
I wish I could feel the water. All you can do is feel like fucking water.
What are you talking about? I don't know if you'll be able to see it.
I don't see it.
Hold on. Oh, I thought it goes. Oh, we'll see it later then. Oh, you see it right there?
Oh yeah, see, you guys see something moving? That's a train. Whoa. I wish I was like you because you can't smell anything. But me and Titi can't, and it smells horrible. Oh look, first leaf. One of those leaves got destroyed.
All right.
And that all of those leaves got destroyed. Oh look, Titi, another sound.
You gonna come read the sign? You gonna read the sign?
What? What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
What's for dinner?
I appreciate you.
I hope it's not poison. What's that?
What? No, that's just whatever.
Is that?
Yeah, it's just dead leaves.
I'm gonna put a flower.
They're too little. Alright, one more and then that's it.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Let's go home. I'm too scared.
Проснулась часто.
I know you're about to die. It sucks.